The International Accounting Standards Committee, also known as the IASC, published the original framework in 1989, which was then titled Framework for the Preparation and Presentation of Financial Statements. The framework for the preparation and presentation of financial statements was subsequently adopted by the International Accounting Standards Board, also known as the IASB, in 2001 as the framework. This was based on the Conceptual Framework of the Financial Accounting Services Board, also known as the FASB. The Financial Accounting Services Board, or FASB, and the International Accounting Standards Board, or IASB, therefore had their own respective frameworks at this point. The FASB and the IASB subsequently entered into a joint project, called the Conceptual Framework Project, in 2004 to develop an improved common conceptual framework, using their own respective existing frameworks as a basis. The Conceptual Framework Project was intended to be completed over a number of phases, with the final conceptual framework comprising of 4 chapters in total. The IASB and FASB completed and published 2 of these chapters, Chapters 1 and 3, in September 2010, resulting in the Conceptual Framework for Financial Reporting 2010 being issued by the International Accounting Standards Board in September 2010 as follows. Chapter 1. The Objective of General Purpose Financial Reporting. Chapter 2. The Reporting Entity. Chapter 3. Qualitative Characteristics of Useful Financial Information. Chapter 4. The Framework, 1989, the remaining text. The Conceptual Framework project was suspended in 2010, with further work on the remaining chapters and phases being suspended as well. The project was, however, resumed in September 2012 by the IASB, with it no longer being a joint project with the FASB. A revised conceptual framework was thereafter issued by the IASB in March 2018. The completed conceptual framework consists of 8 chapters which will be discussed in detail throughout this publication. Effective date of the conceptual framework. It is important to note that the conceptual framework is effective as follows: immediately for the IASB, and effective for annual periods beginning on or after the 1st of January 2020 for preparers who develop accounting policies based on the conceptual framework.